It's a busy night here at 9 o'clock. We do begin here. The Arapahoe County District Attorney is going on record for the first time tonight after an Aurora City Council member announced that they're working to get the DA removed from office.
That council member is concerned over the possible dismissal of a high-profile case, among other issues. Fox 31's Nate Belt sat down with the DA this afternoon and joins us live now with what she has to say. Nate.
Yeah, guys, back in January, Amy Padden walked through the doors of this office behind me after she became the 18th Judicial District Attorney. Now, that 6-month period in office, that's too long. If you ask Aurora City Councilwoman Danielle Jurinsky, she just recently launched a recall petition to get Amy Padden out of office. Now, Padden says despite that effort, she has no plans to willingly leave office.
Amy Padden says she first heard about the potential for a recall from Danielle Jurinsky at the Aurora State of the City luncheon.
She came up to me and said very loudly that she was going to recall me.
That was about a month ago, the last time Padden says she spoke with Jurinsky. In the petition, Jurinsky cites the attempted kidnapping at Black Forest Hills Elementary last year as a reason for the recall.
The charges are still pending. The defense has filed a motion to dismiss those charges based on incompetency.
Jurinsky has raised concern that the suspect will be released, saying he has been before after being found incompetent in other trials. Padden says there's a key difference with this case, however.
He did not have a civil commitment order in place there then. He does here for our case, so he will not be released.
Padden says there are often times in cases like this where she'd like to do more, but that since her job entails following the law, her hands feel tied.
I think everyone can agree that, there are faults in our criminal justice system.
And says she's in active talks with lawmakers and plans to even reach across the aisle to reform laws specifically around mental health cases.
We need to work with the legislature to get some fixes to that statute to make sure that people are not slipping through the cracks and getting released onto the street.
Despite the ongoing recall effort, Padden says her work for the community won't stop.
I'm working hard on behalf of the people of Arapahoe County to make our community safer and to protect our victims, and I'm going to continue to do that.
So Padden's office tells me that the amount of felony cases dismissed in her time as the DA is between about 11 and 13%. They'd say that's on par with previous administrations here in the 18th Judicial District. Now, to bring that recall to a vote, Danielle Jurinsky is going to have to get 75,000 signatures in 60 days. Padden tells me today that she would be, quote, highly surprised if that were to happen. Reporting live from Arapahoe County tonight, Nate Belt, Fox 31.